Updating your billing address with Northreach Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Northreach Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing address. In the account settings, find the option for billing address or contact information. Click on this option to proceed with the update. Step 4. Enter new address. Input your new billing address in the provided fields. Make sure to double check for any errors to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your billing address is updated in the system. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation regarding the update. Keeping your billing address current is important for receiving statements and other important communications.